Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradersystem.com. I'm making this video as a daily recap and trades taken so far today and some new setups for tomorrow. So let's see. I'm making every day a video showing some new setups for the next day, right? So stay tuned. You're gonna get some really good setups at the end. Now, this is the chart I made on the 7th, February 7th, Saturday, last Saturday, pound yen, showing that this thing is going to go down from here to here. Basically, it's a Gertley pattern in the making. XABCD 61%, 23%, 78% supposed to be coming here. Around like 210.50 to 11 area. Right. So it has started to come down, and I started to take the trade from first trade from 7, second trade, and third trade from 20. So let's see. First trade from 7-minute chart right there, and for 90 pip, it dropped, and then comes on the 9th, there is no trade on pound yen because for some reason it went up. So no short. I was expecting short, but on the 10th today, after the news, look at the beautiful short entry, this one and this one, but this one I took 150 pip to the downside, and then from 7-minute, this is Omar's entry, and this is 110 pip to the downside as well. This is pound yen. Now, the next chart I'm going to show. By the way, this is what happened with pound yen as for now. Let me see the current chart. Let me show you the current chart. Yeah, see, it's right here. So I made a new chart showing that this might be going to the upside from here until we get a reversal candle. Nothing is done. So 127 didn't give us a bounce here, right? That was that pattern from bottom from here, X, A, B, C, D. But now you can see that what it is 78%, 23%, and now it is bypassing 227. So might be able to go to 161 before it makes the turn, and that would be a big butterfly pattern, and that will go to the upside, right? 127 didn't give us a bounce. So that's what happens. So we wait for a 40-minute reversal candle first before we take the trade. We even think about taking the trade, right? So it's dropping. What the hell with it? No problem. So I'll wait. Now, next chart I'll show, which is this one. Same day I made on last Saturday that this thing is going to be dropping. Fib is from there to there, and 78% is there, and 57.89. So I said it's going to go up first to one of these level, and then drop to this 38% or 54.54 at least, right? Or maybe weekly pivot. The time will tell. But this is supposed to be coming down here. So what happened to this chart? 7-minute entry. For 7-minute entry right there, 430 pip, all the way down here, close. Then comes 20-minute entry, this one for 80 pip, right? Sell order, you can see both right there. And then this was Umar's trade from on the 9th from 7-minute chart. Again, sell order is right there, beautiful entry, and 65 pip. But what happened today on the February 10th? February 10th, what happened is this. See this beautiful entry from 20-minute chart after the news tomorrow morning, right? USD news, 175 pip. Big time, right? It dropped on the 10th, which is today. That's what happened this morning. Now, the next one, I'll show you that. Oh, by the way, this is what happened to the chart. So USD yen, currently, not currently, a few hours ago, I recorded here. Let's see how far it is on the downside. Right here. So I'm expecting any turn to the upside somewhere here. The fib you draw from here to here is 78%. This fib is like 78%, then down to 23% line. 38 already gone. So maybe this is the area that it may drop and then go to the upside. So first entry from 7-minute chart. It's not there yet. Time is not right, and it's a very bad time for trading. So I will let 3 hours, 2 hours something. Asian session will open, and that maybe if the pair move, then I'll look for the 7-minute entry. If not, in the London session, 7 and 20 to the upside into this area. Okay, so that's what happened to this one. Let me see what else I have for today. Euro yen. Okay, so Euro yen again, Saturday, I made this chart. So first it went up a little bit. So it says, okay, no problem. If it's not going my way, then it can go to the highway. I don't care. So this was that's what happened, and then later on today it started to come down, and this is what happened after the news. Like I said, that there was a USD news, right? So USD got weaker, yen got stronger, and boom, boom, everything came down. And this is beautiful entry here, and then it went down for 130 pip. And what happened to this chart so far? From here, I said there's gonna come down here, and it did. So let's see right now what euro yen is doing. Exactly what it is, right? So maybe it's time to go up again a little bit before coming down. Maybe, maybe not. Now, I think these are the three big yen pairs, 7-minute chart, 20-minute chart entries that I just, got today, 4 or 5 trade, but big one, right? So that's what happened today. Now, let me show you something that what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I made a chart and I posted on the Telegram that all pair, yen pair might be going to the upside. And oh man, what the heck happened here? Let me show you that. Then I'll show you what really happened. Where's the preview? Okay, no preview. Okay, no problem. Is that the chart? What the heck? Oh, that's no, not this one, man. Okay, why I'm getting confused? This is yen going to the upside, but what happened to that before that I made? Here. Okay. So I made this chart and I posted that this thing is going to go. This is a Gertler pattern completed, and maybe all yen pair will go up. Again, the idea is that if we continue to go to the upside, then you will look for the entries. But what happened? It flipped, and then it didn't work out. Now, there is something I always look, and then I made the charts, and this is what I want. I teach in one-on-one. That, for example, this is the diagram here. This is a Gertler, but it says what? Failed bullish Gertler. So bullish Gertler is finished here 78%, 61, 23, 78. That's the case it was with that chart. Where the heck it go? This chart, right? 61, 23, 78 started to bounce. Then I made the chart, right? Possibility is there. But pay attention. There was a bearish Gertler here as well. 61, 23, 78, and it started to drop. Now, why this one worked out, but now this big one didn't work out, and it dropped here. The reason is that, let me show you the 33-minute chart, by the way. Yen index 33-minute chart. So you see, the drama happened here in this red move. So you see that what happened is that when you have a bullish Gertler or bag at the top of the move, most likely it's not going to work out. It's going to be a failed one. That's why I have the chart made that, that happens a lot of times, so you need to be careful. They show up on the wrong place. Similarly, a bearish one at the bottom of the move is not good. You need to have a, let me see that where do you have to have these pairs? I mean the setups here. This diagram will so see this. Yeah. So this is what happens. So earlier we said like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the top here, you're supposed to have a bearish Gertler, I mean butterfly or whatever, right? And coming down here at the top of the move, you need a bearish, not bullish. You need bullish either after the retracement finishing, the bullish butterfly here is the best one. And after dropping an impulse wave starting, then bullish bad Gertler or Bertler is the best one here in this location, the bottom of the move on a higher time frame. Then going to the upside, yes, the bullish pair, you need the bullish pattern, right? On the top of the move, you need bearish one. So that's what exactly happened there. That my 10-minute, if this one, the one I made the chart, was at the top of the move, right? But since it was there, I made the chart anyway. I says, what the hell? But I was, aware of the fact that it might not work and it may drop because this was a bearish Gertler also playing up. And that's exactly what happened. It went down all the way to extension 127. Let me show it to you right now. What is doing currently? See this at 127. From here to here, this was the pattern. It was a bullish gurtlet. This is a bearish gurtlet. Bearish gurtlet paired out because it was at the top of the move and it came down. Now, what happened here? What kind of drama are we having here? So we bounced like from 78, bounce a little bit, and then coming to 127. What the heck is that? Why I'm making this chart now that this is what's probably gonna happen is because of the fact that I'm going to show you another pattern. Where the heck it go? Oh, that is the one. That is the one. I have it open here. Here. All right. So you see 61, 23, 78. It bounced a little bit, but then it makes the turn to the downside. Either it's going to be from here or go all the way to 38 and then come down. But where it go? 127 or 161. These are the two levels for the butterfly pattern. So failed gurtlet turn into butterfly. And if it goes all the way here without even bouncing here, that it goes in, then make the crab pattern. That's another thing. So this comes down here to 127 or 161. Right now, it is at 127 exactly. See that? The same fib. Here, 61. This is 23. And then it bounce a little bit from 78 and then make the turn and then come down here. And then now we are staying here and ready to bounce actually, right? So let's see if we're gonna get a bounce or no. But we may bounce here a little bit and then, to this fib, maybe 61%, and then 23 and then go up, or maybe 61 or 78 or continue. But if we stay here, there is a good chance that it's just simply slip and then go down to 120, 161 level, right? We have not gotten a reversal candle here, right? We're supposed to have a reversal candle, right? So once the reversal candle is there, then it's like a 90% confirmation that, yeah, okay, maybe we are going to the upside. And then I will look for long in yen pairs. This is the purpose of the index, right? So this is what happened so far. I showed you some new setups, and let me go over one more time. If there is any left, Euro Aussie, I'm expecting this from here to go to the upside. This is, Elliott wave count A, B, and then wave C need to be going over there. When, how, time will tell. Pound Aussie, we can see wave 3, 4, and then 5. Either it's finished here or it's going to drop here into this level. So I'm not sure. So we're just waiting for a reversal candle and then 7-minute entry. I'll take that. No problem. Because it's a big move to the downside. Need to go back to these EMAs as well. Just like this one here. If the price goes away from the EMAs, then it go back to the EMA and then go away from the EMA. Just like here. Go and touch the EMS and then go away and then go back and then go away. And then now we are going away. And then if this hold and we bounce from here, we're going to go maybe around this level. So that would be from here to here. Let's say it's like 150 pip trade. So 150 pip gap at 150, 200. So out of that, taking 100, 120 pip trade, not a problem. Let's see what happens. Pound USD, I made this chart here. Let me see. This is Boo-Boo. Boo-Boo means bullish butterfly, but it's in the making. So it's not done yet. It's at point C, right? And the chart I showed in a yesterday video that the original chart I made was from B to C. And I already showed you that, what happened and then trade that I took. Now I already have a 7-minute entry, by the way, to the short side. So this is what the pattern look like, and if I'm right, it's gonna go down. First entry 7, which I already took, which I will show you tomorrow, and then I will wait for like 20-minute here, 20-minute here, going down all the way, maybe not. But let's see what happens. So this is one of the setup. This Euro USD is supposed to be going from here to here. It went. But I have not made the chart just yet, so I'm going to make it later on. Pound yen, well, like I said, that it is 127 bypassing already, down to 141, but it can easily go to 161 if yen index continue to go down as well, right? So, and then eventually it's going to bounce. This is the area that it's going to start bouncing and going back towards EMAs. and I'll take care of that as well. Euro yen got to the destination, and let's see what happened. I still have to make the chart on this one. And this one again came down. I just showed you already that it came down all the way here. And this is where I'm expecting this 23% line or 78 is going to bounce back to 38 or 23 or maybe higher, who knows. But this would be the immediate target from here to here. And let's see what happens, right? Sometimes you get the reversal, sometimes you get the continuation. So from here, I'm not expecting continuation, or I'm not going to worry about that. If it drops, let it drop. I'm not going to chase. It's too much to the downside already. So if it makes a turn to the upside, yes, I will be interested. I'll take my trade 7 minute, 20 minute, and then I'll wait for the turn. If happened, fine. If not, it goes to the upside, then I'll wait for another 20 minute through the extension of this, from the extension of this. So this is what happened here. USD, Aussie yen, beautiful setting up right now, right? And then it's a long setup, by the way, right? So let's see what happened. You see this? Extension, retracement. Extension, not extension. This is like a double top, then retracement. Beautiful extension, beautiful retracement. Beautiful extension, beautiful retracement. This is the drama, always happens. So you just pay attention and that's it, you get it. Now, this is CAD yen making a double top and dropping. I'm not paying much attention to this one. USD CAD supposed to be coming down from here after touching the TL. So far, so good. It is coming down and it is at 11% after 50. So 50, usually it goes to 11 and then goes to 88 for a bad pattern. So if we get a long setup, if we get a reversal here, right, then I'll look for the long in 7 minute chart, right? From 7 minute chart. So yes, USD index, I am expecting a turn, because what happened to the USD index, I had this down move expecting, and it did, come down here. Let me see. See, my chart was that it's going to come down here first and then go to the upside. So it came down already exactly where I said. Let me show you the chart before I go anywhere else. And this is going to be USD. Okay, this is the chart. You see that I made the chart, the first chart was from the top. That's gonna be, well, this the heck is that? Yeah. Okay, and then this steel, so it was right here. It just started to come down. So I said, well, from here, either go up a little bit and then drop, or straight drop, and then it came down straight from there. 0219 was the target. So after this, it may go to the upside. So that's exactly what it is. 0219, we are there. We are touching that. We are kissing that line. And let's see if we get a bounce from here, right? So I'm going to have this something like this. Right? And it's a nice artwork, huh? Okay, so the first prophecy fulfilled already, and then I'm waiting for the second to go to the upside. So reversal candle is already there, is going to the upside. Let's see if it continue. I'm gonna make this chart before and record it to the upside. Right. So far so good. This is what happened. All the trades I took today, I showed you, and tomorrow's setups, you already have it. So have a very wonderful rest of the trading week, and talk to you in the next video. Where's my Zoom? This is me talking in the background. EJ long, this short. I've made all the several EAs like that with my own voice. So I know exactly. I don't have to look at the chart. I know now. Let's see. EA short, right? What else? Come on, say something. Okay, EJ long. So EJ long, if you look at it, we have a reversal candle on EJ. EJ short. That's not EJ. short. UJ long. Sorry. UJ long. USD yen. Okay. Okay, so we have a long, right? We have a reversal candle already finished, and that's why it's saying UJ long. Right? So, so when I'm doing something, and in the background, I can hear what is long, what is short, who's making a short setup and who's making a long setup. That helps a lot. All right, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.
Yeah, sure.